Hi, welcome back to Sophia's Art Supply Review. I'm so excited today. We're about 10 months old and many of you have made requests over the months about specific products to be reviewed. One of the most often requested brands happens to be Brustro. So today I would be unboxing this ultimate art supply haul from Brustro and showing you the products that I would be reviewing in detail over the next 2 months. So are you excited? Because I assure you, I certainly am. And don't forget to watch this video right till the end because I have a surprise gift for you. So without further ado, let's dive right in. The very first item in the box is a set of 10 talcum brushes. This set contains 4 different bristle heads in varied sizes, and these are compatible to use with acrylic, oil and watercolors. What makes these brushes truly unique is its extra long length and its aesthetic design. Priced at Rs 639, are the brushes worth its price? This is something you'll have to wait and watch as I do a detailed review in the coming weeks. Next up is the Brustro Artist Watercolor Set of 24. Priced at Rs 849, this is one of the most requested product and rightly so. Like most Brustro products, this product too has a price point which sits right between the price of traditional Indian brands and the more expensive foreign brands. I understand there is a natural curiosity among artists to know whether this product meets international standards. So do stay tuned to my channel for an in-depth review on this product. Next is a product that I'm extremely excited to use because I've never used anything like this before. This is the Brustro Metallic Watercolor Half Pan Set of 12. These watercolors are made with mica pigments and gum arabic. They're non-toxic, richly pigmented and semi-moist. I've seen some really beautiful floral paintings made with metallic watercolors and I just can't wait to do one myself and share my review with you. Next we have is the Brustro Artist Metallic Gouache Set of 18. I think this is quite a unique product and not many brands have them in their product basket. I should think a metallic gouache set would be great to have in your collection irrespective of whether you have a regular gouache set or not. I'm pretty certain this is going to look really good on black paper. This should definitely be fun to try out. If you haven't watched my review on the Brustro Artist Gouache set, do click on the link in the description box below. The next product again is a frequently requested product and I'm sure that many of you watching this video are going to be super excited to see this. On popular demand, I picked up the Brustro Artist Colored Pencils of 72. These pencils have a wax-based core with 4 mm thickness. They claim to be highly pigmented with excellent light fastness. This set is priced at Rs 2,196 and also comes with a set of artist drawing sheets. I'm super excited to try this much requested product and share my opinion with you. Digging further in, this is the Brustro Artist Metallic Acrylic Ink of 4. This set is specially designed for calligraphy enthusiasts. The set contains 4 colors that comes in a convenient nozzle-tip bottles. The colors included in the set are gold, silver, copper and bronze. It also says you may additionally use them for technical drawings, fine brushwork, mixed media techniques, etc. I don't do too much of calligraphy, but I think now may be a good time to begin. Next up is the Brustro Artist Metallic Acrylic Set of 24. I'm pretty certain that this is one set that no one can go wrong with. Acrylic itself is such a versatile medium. You can use them transparent like watercolors or even get a flat opaque finish, and it may be applied to innumerable surfaces. I'm looking forward to check whether these need to be used alongside regular acrylic paints or works equally well independently. Stay tuned to my channel to know more. Next we have the Brustro Artist Watercolor 100% Cotton Assorted Pack. This set has 2 sheets each of 300 GSM hot press, cold press and rough paper in A4 size. This is such a brilliant set to buy if you want to test out all 3 kinds of papers without having to invest in an entire pack. I have in the past used their 20% cotton paper, so this would be the first time I would be testing their 100% cotton paper. Needless to say, I am really looking forward to it. And last but not the least is a product that would complement all the metallic paints that I have unboxed so far. This is the Brustro black paper of 200 GSM. This pack has 30 A4 size sheets, claims to be acid-free and is made with elemental chlorine-free pulp. And look, it also says the paper is made in Italy. I'm really looking forward to review these. So what do you think? Wasn't this the most fascinating art supply haul from Creative Hands? And now for the surprise gift. You can use the code SOFIA10 at creativehands.com for a 10% discount on your purchase. Let me know which of these products you're most excited to hear about. And if you've used these products, do let me know what your experience has been. Like always, I love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, do click the like button and do subscribe to my channel to watch an art supply review every Wednesday.